Hey guys, welcome to What is Beauty, Part 3. In this video, I'm going to actually present a quite comprehensive definition of beauty, and you'll just have to track along because I'm going to cover a lot of authors. The first big author to cover when it comes to beauty is Jonathan Edwards. He's just very, very good at stating the two primary characteristics of beauty, primary beauty and secondary beauty. Primary beauty is actually true virtue or spiritual beauty. It is grounded in the nature of God. Secondary beauty is what we typically think of as physical beauty, and it's a reflection of spiritual beauty or true virtue. So that's a very first good beginning point to what is beauty. And this is what he means by it. Now, beauty for Jonathan Edwards has a spectrum where you go from the ugly to the beautiful, from discord to harmony, from grotesqueness to symmetry, from disproportion to proportion, from false to truth, from evil to good, from vacuousness to meaningfulness. And then you can take it on to about 10 other characteristics, from peace, subtlety, kindness, loyalty, coordination, wonder, redemption, quality, orderliness, and attractiveness. This is big stuff. Beauty is this big, and it's this meaningful and this important. But I think we can do better. Now think about Jonathan Edwards, though, back to the relationship of the painting, and we get this, that this painting is beautiful because it's harmonious, meaningful, and it's a subtle portrayal of truth and goodness in both physical and metaphysical planes. And you're like, huh? Yeah, well, think about it. Okay, this is how we would apply Jonathan Edwards to this painting. But I think we can do even better once again. Aquinas says that beauty is that which pleases upon being seen. Okay, what does he mean by I don't really like the just basically being seen part. Why don't we switch it to that which pleases upon being experienced? Well, actually, Aquinas meant that. He means in integrity and perfection, so integritas, virtue or goodness, in proportion or harmony, proportio, and in brightness or clarity, in truth, right? Oddly enough, notice the transcendentals at work here. But furthermore, that which pleases upon being seen was the original one. Let's look at what Kant says. Kant says that which delights upon being experienced. So notice at the bottom here, both universally, so delighting universally in sublimity and in particularity through like art or nature, right? So Kant brings in a little bit more definition to this, that which pleases upon being seen, right? So let's move on to Plato then. Plato is actually going to say that which delights upon being experienced, but he says that it's absolute, it's separate, it's simple, and it's everlasting. So, in the sense of Edwards being physical and spiritual, but also for Plato, beauty is absolute, it's separate, simple, and everlasting. Now, let's move beyond, because I think C.S. Lewis can speak into this a little bit more as well. And that is where we might say that which pleases, no. That which experience, no. Or that delights. No, how about that which beloves upon being experienced, right? That which beloves, according to C.S. Lewis's four loves, that which beloves upon being experienced. Let's go to back to Aquinas, that which pleases upon, well, what he means is this vision, that which pleases upon being visioned. It's actually a beatific vision. So that which pleases upon being seen actually means visioned, a beatific vision as soul's union with God. So that brings us to this conclusion slide that explains really sort of a comprehensive approach to what is beauty, that which beloves upon being seen in integrity, perfection, in proportion, harmony, and brightness and clarity, both universally and particularly, both physically and spiritually, absolute, separate, simple, everlasting. That which pleases upon being seen seems to be a good definition of beauty.